Milan. This city is a whirlwind of beauty, history, and delicious food. From the iconic Duomo di Milano, which stands majestically in the heart of the city, to the modern skyscrapers that define its skyline, Milan is a blend of the old and the new. The cityscape is a testament to its rich history and its forward-thinking spirit. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted by stunning architecture and a vibrant energy. The historical buildings tell stories of a bygone era, while the bustling streets are filled with the excitement of both locals and tourists. The energy is palpable, and it draws you in, making you feel like a part of the city's vibrant tapestry. The streets are alive with the sounds of laughter, the aroma of freshly baked bread, and the sight of stylish locals. Cafes spill out onto the sidewalks, inviting you to sit and enjoy a cappuccino while watching the world go by. The bakeries, with their windows filled with delicious pastries and breads, tempt you with their mouth-watering scents. And the locals, with their impeccable fashion sense, add a touch of elegance to the city's charm. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply looking for an unforgettable adventure, Milan has something special in store for you. The city's historical sites, such as the Sforza Castle and the ancient churches, offer a glimpse into its storied past. Food tours take you on a culinary journey, allowing you to taste the best of Italian cuisine. And for the adventurous, there are countless activities to keep you entertained. From exploring hidden alleyways to discovering secret gardens. Get ready to lose yourself in the charm of Milan's hidden courtyards, each one a secret garden waiting to be discovered. These tranquil oases offer a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. As you wander through the charming alleyways, you'll stumble upon these hidden gems, each with its own unique story and beauty. Explore the bustling markets, filled with colourful produce and local crafts. The markets are a feast for the senses, with their vibrant colours, enticing smells, and the sounds of vendors calling out their wares. Here, you can find everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to handmade crafts and souvenirs. It's a perfect place to immerse yourself in the local culture and pick up a few unique items to take home. And don't forget to simply wander the streets, soaking up the unique ambience that makes Milan so captivating. Each street has its own character, from the bustling shopping districts to the quiet residential areas. As you explore, you'll discover charming cafes, boutique shops, and beautiful architecture that make every corner of Milan a delight to explore. This city is a feast for the senses, a place where every corner holds a new surprise. From the vibrant street art that adds a splash of colour to the cityscape, to the unique architecture that blends the old with the new, Milan is full of unexpected delights. Cultural events, from art exhibitions to music festivals, add to the city's dynamic atmosphere, ensuring there's always something new to experience. So, come along with me as we delve into the heart of Milan and uncover all the treasures it has to offer. Whether you're here for a day or a week, there's always something new to discover. From its rich history and stunning architecture to its delicious food and vibrant culture, Milan is a city that will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. So let's embark on this journey together and experience the magic of Milan. Milan's history is a rich tapestry woven with threads of art, power, and innovation. This city, with its vibrant past and dynamic present, offers a journey through time that is both captivating and enlightening. As you explore Milan, you'll find that every street, every building, and every corner has a story to tell. a piece of history waiting to be discovered. Walk in the footsteps of emperors at the imposing Castello Sforzesco, a grand fortress that has witnessed centuries of Milanese history. Originally built in the 15th century by Francesco Sforza, Duke of Milan, this castle has served as a military stronghold, a residence for nobility, and now a museum complex. As you wander through its halls and courtyards, imagine the lives of those who once called this place home, from powerful dukes to renowned artists like Leonardo da Vinci, who contributed to its decoration. Step inside the awe-inspiring Duomo, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that dominates the city skyline. This cathedral, which took nearly 6 centuries to complete, is not only a place of worship, but also a symbol of Milan's enduring spirit and artistic heritage. As you gaze up at its towering spires, consider the generations of craftsmen who dedicated their lives to creating this monumental structure. Its intricate facade, adorned with countless statues, is a testament to the skill and artistry of its creators. Each statue, each carving, tells a story, from biblical scenes to local legends. Take a moment to appreciate the detail and craftsmanship that went into every inch of this magnificent building. And don't forget to climb to the rooftop terraces, where you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the city and the Alps beyond. And don't miss the Teatro alla Scala, one of the most famous opera houses in the world, where legendary voices have graced the stage for centuries. Since its opening in 1778, La Scala has been a beacon of culture and music, attracting the greatest composers, conductors, and performers. Whether you're an opera aficionado or a casual visitor, attending a performance here is an unforgettable experience, a chance to be part of a tradition that has shaped the world of music. Milan's past is not just confined to museums and monuments. It's alive in the very fabric of the city. Stroll through the bustling streets and you'll find history interwoven with modern life. From the elegant Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, one of the world's oldest shopping malls, to the charming Brera district with its narrow cobblestone streets and artistic heritage, Milan seamlessly blends the old with the new. From the ancient Roman ruins to the Renaissance palaces, history whispers from every corner, inviting you to uncover its secrets. Visit the remains of the Roman amphitheatre, where gladiators once fought, or the beautiful Renaissance churches that house masterpieces of art. Each site offers a glimpse into a different era, a different chapter of Milan's rich and varied history. So take your time, explore, and let the stories of Milan's past enrich your journey through this remarkable city. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the culinary delights of Milan. This vibrant city, known for its rich history and fashion, is also a haven for food lovers. From bustling street markets to high-end restaurants, Milan offers a culinary experience like no other. This city is a foodie's paradise, offering a delicious blend of traditional Lombardy flavors and innovative culinary creations. The food markets are a feast for the senses, with fresh produce, aromatic herbs, and a variety of cheeses and meats. Here, you can find everything from classic dishes to modern twists that reflect the city's dynamic culinary scene. Start your day like a local with a creamy cappuccino and a freshly baked cornetto. These morning staples are more than just breakfast items. They are a part of the Milanese lifestyle. Enjoying a cappuccino at a local cafe, watching the city wake up, is an experience in itself. The cornetto, with its flaky layers and sweet filling, is the perfect companion to your coffee. For lunch, indulge in the iconic risotto alla Milanese. a creamy, saffron-infused rice dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious. This dish, with its vibrant yellow hue, is a testament to the Milanese love for simple yet flavorful ingredients. The saffron not only adds color, but also a unique taste that makes this risotto stand out. Pair it with a glass of local wine for a truly authentic experience. And for dinner, savor the rich flavors of osso buco, braised veal shanks, served with a flavorful gremolata. This hearty dish is a Milanese classic, slow-cooked to perfection. The tender veal, combined with the zesty gremolata made of lemon zest, garlic and parsley, creates a symphony of flavors that will leave you wanting more. It's a dish that embodies the essence of Milanese cuisine, rich, comforting, and full of character. Of course, no trip to Milan would be complete without sampling the city's legendary panettone, a sweet bread studded with candied fruits and raisins. This festive treat, traditionally enjoyed during Christmas, has become a year-round favorite. The soft, airy texture and the burst of flavors from the fruits make it a delightful end to any meal. Many bakeries in Milan have their own secret recipes, making each panettone unique. Whether you're dining in a Michelin-starred restaurant or a cozy trattoria, Milan promises an unforgettable culinary journey. The city's dining scene is diverse, offering something for every palate and budget. From exquisite fine dining experiences to the warm, homely atmosphere of a trattoria, each meal in Milan is a celebration of its rich culinary heritage. So, come and explore the flavors of Milan, a city where every bite tells a story.